Hello guys, welcome back to our new vlog. Today we are at 32 Avenue, Gurgaon. We are very happy because finally this place is serving. Last time जब हम लोग गुड़गांव cover कर रहे थे, मैंने 32 Avenue mention किया था, but somehow we could not come here because anyways ये closed था. But after it's been like 1 month and we are here. It's open, it's serving, and I can see the beautiful lights, the cafes. So this video is going to be very exciting. Please last तक देखते रहना. And we are going to cover each and every cafes here, the surroundings, the ambience and everything. So without wasting much of your time, let's begin the video. Guys, let me tell you about this 32 Avenue. So this place is kind of a hub for different cafes. These cafes, they have the voguish architecture, and you'll get this feeling that you're in New York and you're sitting in Spain somewhere. If you're a food lover, you love food, you love different cuisine, you will get like ample amount of restaurant here. And we are not scared क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो crowd आता है वो anyway decent ही आता है. So अभी हम लोग अंदर जाएंगे और हमको दिखाएंगे कि यहाँ पे कैसा है, क्या है, which restaurant is famous here, what are the specialities, and so that is it about it.
My name is Sandeep.
Sandeep, okay. So Sandeep, अभी आपकी specialty क्या है RY होगी?
This is a specialty for the Pan Asian cuisine. Right?
Pan
Asian cuisine.
Right.
We're going to start with the live sushi also.
Okay.
And we have a beautiful rooftop in the open area.
Okay.
Okay. This is the Japanese theme, totally Japanese and dragon theme.
All right.
Okay, you can come and have this place, and you love it. This place.
Okay, and like crowd is not coming these days.
The crowd is coming now. Start of people are coming right on the mostly on the weekend is coming now.
Do you also deliver like home delivery or kind
Yes,
of a
we
thing?
are on Zomato. We have on
also.
Swiggy. Yes.
Okay, yeah, that's a very good thing. And the architecture and this place gives the feeling of as if you are like somewhere else, like not in India. So. Guys, this is the ultimate place you can see around, and this is the first time I'm visiting here. The rooftop is as beautiful as this place. You guys can come here. They are following social distancing norms, and I can see this place is sanitized. They are sanitizing this place as well. So I'm standing right in front of Como Cafe. This is the prettiest place, I would say, because the decoration, the vibe of this place only is just so amazing. बहुत प्यारा cafe है. You can come here with your friends, with your family, and you are going to surely enjoy. Abhi it's 7 p.m. in the evening, and maybe after the vlogging we might want to sit here and we will be having something out from here. But definitely this is a must place for each one of you. आप गुड़गांव में है, दिल्ली में, NCR में, even if you're going outside from anywhere, it just you should come to this place. Just amazing as just like I don't have any words for it. In front of Carnatic Cafe. It's a restaurant basically, and they serve good South Indian cuisine and some like great cuisine from Kerala, Bangalore, Karnataka. So they serve all of these things, and you can definitely come to this place, I think, because we went inside and we saw that it's just so hygienic and the crowd here is decent. It's not like the other places that we showed earlier. तो आप लोग यहाँ पे आ सकते हो। और यहाँ पे आके आप लोग, अगर आप साउथ इंडियन कुजीन के बहुत शौकीन हैं लाइक अस, यू कैन डेफिनेटली कम टू दिस प्लेस। Alright guys, so you can see this cute little kind of shop. This is Twisting Scoops and they serve really great ice creams, they say. Good flavor. Do you guys have some different flavors or what?
Yes, sir.
Like क्या ऐसा different है? Fragola, berries. तो आप लोग basically उसका कुछ स्टाइल डिफरेंट स्टाइल से बनाते हैं क्या? वो अरेबियन स्टाइल जैसे होता है, लाइक काइंड ऑफ दुबई में होता है वैसा वाला. ओके, सो गाइज यू कैन कम टू दिस प्लेस. दिस इज really a very small, cozy, cute little shop, and they are saying that they serve good scoops. Unfortunately, अभी मैं नहीं लूँगी, but yeah, definitely next time if I come here, I would really be trying something from here. Definitely you can come here. And absolutely, and I'm enjoying my ice cream like after how many months?
10 days.
10 days क्यों? आइस क्रीम तो मैंने बहुत पहले खाई थी.
घर पे नहीं खाई थी.
So guys, you can definitely come to this place. Unlike जो हमारी पहली वीडियोज़ है, हम लोग बोलते हैं कि यहाँ मत आओ, वहाँ मत आओ, यहाँ मत आओ, but yes, here you can definitely come and just wear your mask and ensure that आप social distancing follow कर रहे हैं.
Exactly.
अभी आप लोग बोल रहे होंगे मैंने मास्क क्यों नहीं पहना, क्योंकि आसपास कोई नहीं है and we're just enjoying and the weather is actually very good. I can feel the chills in the air.
Chills in the air, you can see sweat in my shirt.
Let me tell you guys, आज हम लोग लेट क्यों हुए? लेट इसलिए हुए हैं क्योंकि मैं तो टाइम पे तैयार हो गई थी. तो आज लेट किया है मिस्टर
क्यों किया?
श्रीवास्तव ने.
तो आपने मुझे टाइम पे क्यों नहीं उठाया जब मैंने बोला था उठ जाऊंगा?
नहीं, मेरी ड्यूटी है ये आपको टाइम पे
ऑब्वियसली आपकी ड्यूटी है. आप यू आर माय धर्म पत्नी.
जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ हिम हम आज लेट हुए. अदरवाइज हम आपको गार्डन वाला एरिया और भी दिखाते हैं, बट अभी नहीं दिखा पाए. बट डेफिनेटली नेक्स्ट टाइम विल बी कमिंग हियर बिकॉज हम यहाँ पे आते ही रहते हैं. I'm planning, let's go through this Carnatic Cafe.
Okay.
It's a great restaurant for South Indian cuisine and हम लोग काफ़ी टाइम से प्लान कर रहे हैं कि हम South Indian खाना है. Which is fine. अगर नहीं खाना है तो मेरे को ऐसा कुछ वो है भी नहीं.
ठीक है, घर चलते हैं फिर.
नहीं मतलब मैं बोल रही थी कि अगर खा सकते हैं तो खा सकते हैं, नहीं तो
हाँ तो घर चलते हैं फिर. ठीक है.
We will be linking the description of or like the location of this place.
Or of the famous restaurants here,
Yeah.
where you can come and enjoy.
The good time is around 6 p.m. 7 p.m. That's the best time that you can come here. The beautiful garden. It's just you're just going to get amazed. So thanks for watching our vlog, guys. Please keep supporting us and keep loving us, and we'll be sharing our new vlog soon. Bye bye.